Problem number 7. It asks to show that the random telegraph signal is a strict since stationary process. So first we can write that the strict since signal process, a stationary process, is that the probability of y of tn equals to yn, y of tn minus 1 equals to yn minus 1, and all the way to y of t equals to y1, and this probability is equal to the probability of y of tn plus a time, and it equals to yn, and the same as n minus 1, and same as all the way to y1, and we want to prove that the probability is not affected by time. So we can write that the probability of y of tn equals to 1, and given that the y of tn minus 1 equals to 1, y of tn minus 2 equals to 1, all the way to y of t1 equals to 1, and the probability of that is equals to the probability of y of tn equals to 1, given that y of tn minus 1 equals to 1, and we can write that it equals to e power of minus lambda times tn minus 1. We can write that probability in this form, and we combine these two together, and we can get that it equals to the probability of y of tn minus equals to 1, given that the y of tn minus 1 equals to 1, all the way to y of t1 equals to 1, and the probability of this times the probability of y of tn minus 1 equals to 1, given that y of tn minus 2 equals to 1, all the way to y of t1 equals to 1, and there are many such probabilities. We times them together, and the last two items are the probability of y of t2 equals to 1, given that y of t1 equals to 1, and times the probability of y given t1 equals to 1. So we can continue write this formula to the probability of y of tn equals to 1, given that y of tn minus 1 equals to 1, times the probability of tn minus 1 equals to 1, given y of tn minus 1 equals to 1, and all the way to the probability of y of tn minus y of tn equals to 1, and we take the previous one, we take this solution into this one, and we can get the final answer is this one, and we can see that there are only tn and tn minus 1, so we can prove that it's not affected by time, and it only depends on ti minus 1, where I is from 2 to n. So So it's proven.